staff and management. I like to thank you all TV channels and newspaper media for their excellent support and cooperation and kind help, जिनकी सहयोग से हम लोग आज तक इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, हमारा फूड एंड बेवरेज का पार्ट को जो है बहुत आगे लेने में सफल रहे हैं। तो आने वाले दिनों में आप लोग का ये सहयोग हम आशा करते हैं। आज की जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हमने बुलाया है सर, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रिलेटेड टू सी फूड फेस्टिवल और पार्क प्राइम होटल जिस तरह से नए नए फूड एंड बेवरेज आइटम को लोगों के पास पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उस चीज़ को और थोड़ा सामने लाना है। और आपके थ्रू हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों के पास पहुंचना चाहते हैं, जिससे हमारे होटल को और लोगों को और हमारे जो लोकल वेंडर्स हैं उनको बहुत सपोर्ट मिले। The aim of this press conference is to organize seafood festival. The seafood festival we are organizing every year before International Film Festival. Same as last two times due to Corona, the festival was delayed. This year it is also going to start in time. So we are also in punctual and we are going to start seafood festival today on Wednesday 10th of November. It will continue till 21st of November, 12 days. This seafood festival will organize in two places, in two of our beautiful restaurants. One, the Tulip restaurant, the multi-cuisine restaurant, where at present we are sitting and organizing this press conference. And second, we have a beautiful restaurant, rooftop Marigold restaurant. It is in 8th floor. These two places will be a suitable place for the seafood festival this year. The timing of the festival is during lunch time 12:30 to 3:30. The festival will organize in Tulip restaurant, and in the evening during dinner time the festival will continue 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. at rooftop Marigold restaurant. In this festival, the major aim of our organization is to support our local vendors. I like to request my colleague, our F&B manager, Mr. Santanu D'Souza, just explain little about how we like to support the local vendors in this festival. Mr. Santanu.
So we are like providing the local vendors as low scale vendors a sale of big amount who are like affected from the corona period of this time. So we're gonna purchase all the food items from the local vendors as the fish, raw materials, everything. We're gonna personally visit the local vendors and give them the sale.
Yes, as for raw material fish is concerned, we are purchasing our local vendors, and as for masalas, spices and other raw materials, whatever used in this festival, everything we are purchasing from our small local vendors, so that these people, those who are affected very badly during this corona period, will get something, some business from our sides. So ये हमारी एक छोटी सी प्रयास है. It is our very small efforts so that we can support our vendors, those who are affected during this corona festival, during this corona pandemic. And secondly, besides this seafood festival, we have also started delivering home delivery and office delivery of our food with a very marginal price. It's a very reasonable price, so that those young staffs, young people working in this corporate hub, in this Pato corporate hub and inside Panjim cities, they are not getting hygienic and reasonable price food during lunch time and during breakfast time and snacks time. So we thought we can provide these people very hygienic, corona free and reasonable price food to these people. So we have started home delivery of food. Like biryani, we are serving veg biryani 100 rupees and chicken biryani 150 rupees, just 200 rupees prawns biryani and mutton biryani, and egg biryani just 100 rupees, and veg thali just 150 rupees, and fish thali just 200 rupees. So this is very affordable price we are providing, so that each and every staff, every corporate staff, every young staff, either they are students, they are coming for coaching, either they are staffs, they are working in small offices, so everybody can offer this reasonable price. So this is another things we have started. And one thing we have started, that is outdoor caterings, supply food to industries and corporate offices. Last, in the month of August, we had provided 340 biryanis to Pfizer, a big company in Verna industrial areas. We have provided biryanis to industrial areas. Besides that, in industrial areas, we have supplied biryanis and other foods, veg thalis, non-veg thalis. But this time we have get better bookings, better requests from our guests. So because our food is very hygienic, tasty and very reasonable price, so everybody can offer it. So not only we are doing this seafood festival or we are providing foods, but we are also supporting our societies. During this corona pandemic, the selfless service provided by the CCP staffs, when all people, those who are settled at their home, but the CCP's staff regularly visiting to each and every house to collect the garbages, collect the dustbins, collect the things which the other people are not doing, and everybody settled in their home. We have called these people, the nurses and doctors who are working in urban and health departments, we have called these people and awarded them, so that at least whatever the responsibility from a organization should do to the people who are the real heroes working for the societies, we are doing that also. Here in Seafood Festival, we have kept different types of menus are there. The menus of individual a la carte basis menus are there. The menus for the combo menu for families are there. It's a very reasonable price, so people can order according to their choice. Secondly, we have also doing one new thing, that is live counter. In front of the guest, the seafood will be prepared and it will be present to the guest according to their choice. It's a live counter. In front of the guest, the food will be prepared. This time we have started this new concept. And also, according to the theme decorations, we have decorated the areas with fish, so that it's whenever anybody can enter to the areas, it should look like there's a fish or a seafood area. Seafood festival is continuing in such type of organizations, because this type of seafood festival or a food festival is not seen in Goa. So we are regularly doing such type of things, so that it should be a learnable thing to the other hotels and other peoples. If they can organize such type of things, it will be reached to more and more people of Goa, and Goan people will get better food, better hygienic food as per their likings. And thirdly, as per this corona pandemic, people of Goa who are very fond of eating seafoods totally stopped at home during this corona pandemics. Now as corona pandemic is over, people started going to their offices, people getting good earnings. So now we have started, we can do this festival and reach to more and more people. They can come and enjoy the food and taste our food. Our staff, those who will serve during this festival, they are all vaccinated. We are using, you can see these, our batches, every staff having their batches, we are all vaccinated. All our staff are double dose vaccinated. Those staff enter to the premises, hotel premises. We are doing, they are scanning and hand sanitizing. We are taking proper care of the corona protocols so that guests, those who will visit during this time, they will have fearless visit and they can have comfortable dine at our place. So looking after all these criteria, we have started this seafood festival. We like to request all of you, as you are our best supporters, each and every time you are giving a hearty support to us. With your support, we just like to reach more and more people so that people can get tasty and hygienic food in a reasonable price. At same time, we can get a damaged organization, a growing organization who is always support to the society can get little business so that the restaurant and the hotel will get benefited and the staffs will get satisfied with their salaries and the smile comes again back to their families. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your hearty support, sir.
फेस्टिवल में
festival will be having only Goan dishes or it will continental dishes for Indian.
Sir, it will be in Goan dishes, Indian, tandoor, and these are all cuisines here. It is a multi-cuisine and specially Goan because it's a place of Goa. Any tourist visit to Goa, they prefer to eat Goan cuisine, sir. So we are giving more concentrate on Goan cuisine, and besides Goan cuisines, we are also having Indian in preparation in Indian tandoors, and these are all preparations are there. It may be rawa fry, tawa fry, or masala fry. It will be in 3 other preparations will be there, sir.
is it registration sir or open for?
It is open, sir. It is a la carte, sir. We have different types of menus. We have prepared this type of menu.
No, for guests it is open.
Yes, it is open. It is open.
So no registration.
Yeah, anybody can visit, sir. There is no registration, sir.
टोटल कितना कोरोना वॉरियर्स को अवार्ड करने वाले सम्मानित?
हमने ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने किया हुआ है। जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, नर्सेस हैं, हमारे अर्बन एंड हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में काम करते हैं, लगभग उस दिन हम लोगों ने 40 वर्कर्स, हेल्थ वर्कर्स फ्रॉम अर्बन एंड हेल्थ को बुलाए थे। वुमेन्स डे में हमने बुलाए थे। उनको छोड़ के लगभग 50 सीसीपी वुमेन वर्कर्स को हमने बुलाए थे। तो इनको सबको हमने अवार्ड दिया है और उनको सर्टिफिकेट भी हमारी तरफ से एक उनको सर्टिफिकेट्स भी दिया है, और जो डॉक्टर्स आए थे उनको भी हमने अवार्ड दिया है। और ये जो हमारी प्रोसेस है सर, ये हम लोग को रेगुलरली ये कंटिन्यू रहेगा। जो लोग सोसाइटी के लिए काम करते हैं हम उनको जरूर सपोर्ट करेंगे। इसको छोड़ के भी सर हम लोग जो कल्चरल इवेंट्स होता है यहाँ पे, हम लोग उनको भी स्पॉन्सर करते हैं। हम लोग ऑलवेज वी आर इन सोसाइटी फेवर्स।
ये कितना साल है अपना
होटल को
फेस्टिवल?
ये 5th year continuing, sir. This is 5th year continuing.
What was the response?
Response हमने each and every time we have getting very good response. We have around 40 cover restaurant in rooftop restaurant. It's an open restaurant, garden restaurant in rooftop. Its name is Marigold Restaurant. We have around 40 cover restaurant. each and every time we found that 40 cover is full and we have to keep more and more seats for the waiting guest. We have live music is there. With seafood festivals we have live music, so that not only people eat the food, they can enjoy the music also. We have called 2 local singers. One, Mr. Rafiq, he is Hindi singing. In the old and new music, Hindi singers is there. Another Miss Lucy, she will be here. She is also singing the Goan singing and also English. So both will be entertain our guests during this festival.
How many days?
It is 12 days, sir, continue. Starting from today, 10, it will continue till 21st of this month, sir. And you are all requested and invited, please come with your families and enjoy the food.